Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Kia Ceed and Kia Ceed. The cabin filter in this car is located behind the glove box. In order to get access to the cabin filter, first we need to remove the glove box. To remove the glove box, we need to open the glove box, and there's two knobs on both sides that we need to turn anti-clockwise and remove them, and that's how you open the glove box. There is also this thing that we need to remove. There is two taps on it that we need to push in, and then we'll take it out. We don't need to remove the glove box completely, just bring it down, and now we have access to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is right there behind this plastic cover. That's the cabin filter right there. Now we're going to take it out and make sure afterwards you put it with the arrow of airflow pointing down like it's on the old one. Now you put it in and put the cover on, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.